We just arrived here in Busan. Time check, past 11 a.m. from Seoul on board bullet train. It took us mga 2 hours na biyahe. Normally 4 to 5 hours, but the one that we rode, bagong brand new na bullet train here in Korea. So we're here inside this food court on the second floor. Mag-lunch muna kami before checking in sa Airbnb. Very, very developed na transportation system dito sa South Korea. These are train schedules. Makita mo yung mga train schedules dyan, no? What we rode was yung train number 17. Okay. Ito yung mga tao na nag-aantay, no, sa train. Temperature is very cold. Hindi naman siguro sub-zero to. I think mga 5 degrees. Andun yung sa TV ng Korean president who was impeached. If you want to travel to Busan, no, there's a direct flight from Clark, Busan, or from what we did sa Seoul kami, then we took yung bullet train. Pauwi namin via Clark, no, because yung Busan at sa Clark lang yung merong direct, no, flight. Dami na rin Pinoy nagbabakasyon dito, no, sa Korea. But syempre, of course, I think Japan is still the favorite na destination. So we're here inside. Andun yung mga taking yung meals, no? So we'll be talking on how to go to our Airbnb. We rented an Airbnb for 5 days ata, no? 6 days here in Busan. Ang dami naming gamit, no, here. Okay. Lunch muna kami here. So this is the way to order here using yung machine. And pasok here.